It's here. Here we have Braden. Alright guys, my birthday was 2 days ago. A couple days before that, I guess my mom ordered this ukulele. I mean, you've seen my videos, but I don't actually have my own until now. I've been using my brother's, like his for one and Landon's for the other. So today, we're gonna unbox this bad boy. Let's go. Alright guys, unboxing it. There we go. Alright, come here. Oh. Okay guys, alright, it's here. It's pretty cool. It's got this stuff for if I want to put anything in it. And let's open it. Ooh, foam packaging. I believe it has a turtle on it, is what people told me. And warning, please keep this bag away from children. Danger of suffocation. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's go. Okay guys, so, I don't know.
Oh, that sucks.
Wait. This is not in tune at all. So let's get it tuned up. Let's get it tuned up right now. I'm in the works of tuning it. Pretty good. Okay guys. We got it. Okay, let's test it out.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Alright, we're gonna take this for a test drive. Let's go! What do you believe? That works. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Alright guys, so I'm super hyped. This is one of the main things I wanted for my birthday. Or anytime soon. And also the GoPro. So I've basically got everything I need for right now. Ever. Because that's basically the only thing I do is play ukulele and I make videos and I go to school because, you know, I'm forced. Anyway guys, see you in the next video. By the way, this is still on the GoPro Hero 3 Plus. I got the GoPro 2 days ago. The Hero 5. But I tried to plug in this SD card that I'm using for a 5-year-old GoPro into the one that's like brand new, which it's too fast essentially. Like it's trying to put 1080p like really HD video on an old card, so it's not really working. So basically I can only record for about 2 seconds and then it can't keep up anymore. But my new SD card should be coming in a couple days. But so then I'll start making videos on the Hero 5, which has like voice activated stuff. It's a lot better. And that's Braden playing the ukulele. See you next time.